Let's learn how to change currency on a Binance application. I will show you this tutorial for both browser and application on PC. You can do on phone too. It's very similar. Just follow my steps and don't worry. First we will go through Binance application. To change currency here, just click on settings button in bottom left corner and instantly you will see here USD. Click on it and here it will be displayed every currency that's available now. To change, just click on some random and as you can see it will change automatically. To return back to USD, just go click again and the method will be the same. Click on it and it will change instantly. To do this on browser, you need to go on Binance website, wait for it to load, and now you will click on this worldwide icon, and here it will be displayed every currency available. Also same method as before, just click on it and this will be changed automatically. To return back, just go, let's set euros for example, and that's it. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video.